Hi friends, so today we are going to solve question number 27 from SAT practice test 7. So let's read the question and understand it. The world's population has grown at an average rate of 1.9% per year. So it is saying that it is growing at an average rate. So this is will be an exponential function, right friends, because it is saying it is growing at an average rate, okay, per year. There were so from directly we know that it's exponential, we can cross out option C and option D, so we are left with two options, okay. There were approximately 4 billion people in the world in 1975. So in 1975 they are saying there are 4 billion people, okay. Which of the following functions represents the world's population P in billions of people, okay. So we just need to find a function which represents the world population P in billions of people t years since 1975. So this means that at t is equal to 0 means year 1975. So this information is very helpful. We have already eliminated these two options, and in these two we can just substitute the values and check for our answer, right friends. Also we need not even substitute our value because we can directly find our answer from here. So we know that it is given that 1.9% per year, average rate is 1.9% per year. So 1.9% means 1.9 divided by 100, so this would be equal to 0.019, right friends. And we know that whenever we have to find an exponential function in a growth model, it's somewhat 1 plus k, where k is the growth rate, right, raised to the power t, and k here is 0.09. So we'll just do the substitution and we'll get is this value into t. So we'll get is 1.019 raised to the power t, and a here we missed out, so a here is the initial population at the beginning. At initial population at t is equal to 0, it was given is 4 billion people, so we'll just substitute 4 here. So we'll get our answer, which is equal to option A, friends, right. So it was a pretty easy and simple question in which we need not waste much time, and it could be easily solved in under 30 seconds. So try to attempt these type of questions to get higher score and higher marks. If you have any doubt regarding this question or any other SAT math question, you can join a free WhatsApp group. Also you can comment your doubts in the below section. Thank you.